traveling the Philippines has always been a dream for me. I love the country, I love the people, and I love our culture.
Malapit sa puso ni Bublé ang mga Pinoy.
I think I found such comfort in the Philippines with so many friends of mine and, people in my, close, family friendships, being Filipino. One of my best friends growing up.
I have a lot of Filipino friends. There's some things that I don't want. There's something called adobo, I think it's called. And it's like they do this chicken and like this vinegar and garlic. And I haven't had it, but I've been told that it's awesome.
Matak din ang pagregalo niya ng bahay sa Pinay caretaker na nag-alaga sa kanyang lolo.
Planin naman natin si Monette, ang longtime Filipina caregiver ng lolo ni Canadian crooner Michael Bublé.
He's paying a tribute to his grandfather.
The greatest moments of my life happened here. My grandfather was my best friend growing up. He was my hero.
Isa umano sa hiling ng kanyang lolo na huwag pabayaan si Monette at bigyan ito ng sarili niyang tahanan.
Monette is this really compassionate, kind, empathetic human being. She became family almost instantly.
It was his grandfather's final wish.
Na tinupad naman ng Grammy Award winner singer na si Michael Bublé.
Can only imagine what it's gonna mean to her. Welcome home.
Oh my God.
This is all for you.
He's making me cry.
Not as much as I appreciate all the Filipinos who go to other countries and work their butts off so that they can go and support their families back at home. It's not a surprise. There's something that's so deep and beautiful about the Filipino spirit.
I said all your Filipino followers, I love you. To all the Filipinos out there, around America, maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo.
Proud talaga ang mga kababayan natin na sa kabila ng hirap ay patuloy na lumalaban para sa kanilang mga pamilya. Maraming salamat sa panunood at pag-subscribe. See you ulit sa ating next video episode. Bye-bye!